Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone has at least 20% battery and the screen is unlocked. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, if Talkback is speaking, navigate with 2-finger swipes and single-finger double taps to activate items. Now open Settings. You can swipe to find the Settings icon or use the app drawer. Once in Settings, tap the search field and type Accessibility or scroll to the Accessibility menu so you can access Talkback controls. Once in Accessibility, go to Vision or Screen Reader where Talkback is listed. This is the exact control group you need. You will tap the Talkback entry once to select it and then double tap to open its page. This behavior is required when Talkback is active. Make sure you find the on/off toggle and review options like gestures and verbosity. You should also note if a system prompt requests confirmation, because disabling may need an extra double tap to accept the change. To finish, toggle the Talkback switch off and double tap any confirmation dialog that appears. You will hear feedback stop when it disables. Once done, make sure to test basic navigation with single taps to confirm normal touch behavior. If voice prompts continue, restart the device to clear caches. If disabling fails, boot to safe mode or, as a last resort, use DB commands from a PC to disable the Talkback package. These options help when menus are inaccessible or settings are blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.